Hi guys and welcome back to Guide Nation. In today's video, I will show you how to upload on Gumroad. So first of all, log into Gumroad using your user credentials. Now, you'll be on your Gumroad dashboard. On this dashboard, you'll have to simply click on the products option. That is the second option. Now, after clicking on products, click on new product. After you click on new product at the top right corner, you'll be promoted to this page where you can upload anything you want. For example, you can upload digital product, that is any set of files to download or stream. You can upload course or tutorial by selling a single lesson or teach a whole cohort of students. You can upload ebook that will offer a book or comic in PDF, EPUB or MOBI formats. You can upload memberships by starting a membership business around your fans. You can upload physical goods, that is you can sell anything that requires shipping. You can also upload bundle, that is you can sell 2 or more existing products for a new price. And you can name your product at the top right corner, price it and click on next customize button. So I'm going to upload, for example, a digital product and name this product anything I want. For example, this will be a ebook and the price of my product will be $40. Now I'll click on next customize. After I click on next customize, I will have to enter the name of my product. In the description, add a URL. Now go to the cover and here you can upload images or videos of your product or anything that you are going to sell on Gumroad. So click on upload images or product. You can add an external link of your product or click on computer file. After that, select the picture of your product. For example, if this is it, I'll select it and click on open. Now I'll click on upload files under thumbnails and this image will appear on the Gumroad library, discover and profile pages. The image should be square and at least 600 into 600 pixels. It should be in JPG, PNG or GIF format. So I'll click on upload files and click on computer files and choose a product image. Now you'll have to add a call to action. I will add this as a buy this button and you can add a summary. For example, I'm adding you'll get an enriching knowledge by buying my product. Now I will click on add details and you can now add an attribute of your product. For example, if I'm adding page, and the value of this is 100 pages. So I'll select 100. Now you can invite your customers to a circle community or a Discord server by just enabling this button and adding your Discord server's link or your community's link. So just toggle the switch on if you want. If you don't want it, simply leave these switches to off. After that, you can add pricing amount. So my product will be for $40 and you can do all these settings according to your preference by examining these and click on save and continue. Now after you click on save and continue, you'll be promoted to this page where you can upload the content of your ebook. Basically here you will have to enter the content that you want to sell or upload your files or start typing. So if it's an ebook, I can type my ebook here or you can copy paste it. You can also click on insert link and enter a text and URL to your ebook online and click on publish and continue. After you click on that, click on save changes at the last step and here we just uploaded this to our Gumroad. Now we'll have to go to products again and here is the product that we just uploaded. If we click on this link, we'll be promoted to this page. As you can see, I just uploaded on Gumroad. So you can upload various things on Gumroad just by following these steps. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I'll see you in the next video.